Hello and welcome. In this video, we will quickly find the value of x in the given equation. As you can see, the equation has roots in it. So let us solve it for x. As you can see, the given equation under root x plus under root x minus under root 1 minus x is equal to 1. All we have to do is we start with taking under root x on the right hand side of the equality. So this becomes under root x minus under root 1 minus x is equal to, on the right hand side we have 1 and under root x will be in negative on the other hand side. Now we will square it both the sides. So to equate the square, we will just cancel this root sign and our square is cancelled. So this will become x minus under root 1 minus x. Now on the right hand side, you can see it is in the form a minus b whole square. For which the formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this term will become 1, square of 1 is 1, plus b square. In b we have under root x, so square of it will become x. And then from the formula it is minus 2. A is 1, b is under root x. So we'll write 2 under root x. Now as we can see, on the both hand side we have x. So this will be cancelled. So all we are left with is now minus under root 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2 root x. Now again we will square it both the sides. What will happen with the left hand square? The minus sign will be cancelled and the under root will be cancelled if we square it. So all we will get is 1 minus x. And on the right hand side again it is in the form a minus b whole square. So we will expand it. The square of 1 is 1 plus b square here is the square of 2 under root x, which is 4x. And then from the formula it is minus 2ab. So minus 2. A is 1 and b is 2 under root x. So it becomes 1 minus x is equal to 1 plus 4x minus 2 2s are 4 under root x. Again we can cancel 1. Now on the left hand side we have minus x, and on the right hand side we can see it is plus 4x. So that can come in the left hand side, which is the plus sign will become minus. So minus 4x is equal to minus 4 under root x. Now minus x and minus 4x will add up to give minus 5x is equal to minus 4 under root x. As you can see, both the side we have negative signs which can be cancelled. So all we are left with is now 5x is equal to 4 under root x. Now if we square both the sides, let's square both the sides. So it will become 25, square of 5 is 25, x square is equal to 4 4s are 16 and square of under root x is x. Now as you can see, if you divide the term both side by x, so this x will cancel the square and here x will cancel the x on the right hand side. So it is 25x is equal to 16. This is what we got. From here we can find the value of x is equal to 16, and this 25 will go on the right hand side in division. So the value of x is 16 by 25. Thank you.